We've seen the map command and its some of its relatives a couple of times so far. If you have a list, map allows you to apply a function to each element in that list and then collect the results into an output list. Let's have a look and see how this works. In this case, what I'm doing is I'm saying I'm going to use the map command to map the function string reverse, which takes a string and returns another string where the characters have been put in reverse order. So I'm going to take that function and I'm going to apply it to each of the first 10 words in the soliloquy, and then it's going to output the result as a list. Let's see what that looks like. So to backwards, be or not to be, that is the question. Each element of this list has been string reversed, and we did that by saying map the string reverse command over the first 10 words in that list. Now the exact same command can be written using this infix notation /at, and this is used a lot in the Mathematica documentation, so it's important that you see that and recognize that that's an example of the map command. Exact same output. So that's one of the commands that we will use a lot because it allows us to do something very useful with lists. There's another command related to map called map thread, which takes a pair of lists of the same length and combines them using some function. So I'm going to evaluate this first, and then I'll show you how it works. So what we've done in this expression is we've said map thread is going to take this function here, rule, and it's going to apply it to a pair of lists. The first list is the numbers from 1 to 10, and the second list is the characters from A to J, capitalized. And so what this does is it takes the first number, 1, the first character, A, and it creates a rule that says 1 points to A. It takes the next number from this list, 2, the next character from this list, B, and it creates another rule, 2 points to B, and so on. And as we've seen before, since an association expects you to create relationships between a key and a value, if you have a list and if you have a list of keys and you have a list of values, you can use map thread to quickly zip those two lists together with the rule function, and then you have something that's in a good form to use as an association.